about water. Hi, I'm Cheryl Duffy, Director of Rainbow Academy, and we're celebrating World Water Day. Do you think water can help us sing songs? Do you think we can use water as an instrument? Oh, let's find out. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to fill these glasses with water, but each glass is going to have a different amount of water. That has a little bit. I'll put a little bit more in this one. And we'll put a little bit more in this one. And guess what? We'll put the very most in our last glass. So we have 4 glasses here that are ready for us. Now, remember my question? I wonder if we can use water to make music. Let's find out. Let's listen. Did you hear different sounds from each glass? Let's try it with a metal spoon. I used a wooden spoon first. Let's see if a metal spoon makes any difference. I can hear a difference, can you? What song do you think we should try and sing? Do you know Row, Row, Row Your Boat? Let's try it. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. It worked! We were able to use water as a musical instrument. Why don't you try that at home and see what favorite song you can sing? Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.